Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Ashley and I am a stay-at-home mom to two little boys, and I kind of think I have the perfect job. I get to be home with my boys, take them to school, pick them up, go on fun little adventures with them, help them with their reading, and at the same time I have a business from my home where I sell things on eBay and Amazon. Things that I find at thrift stores, estate sales, garage sales, you name it, retail stores, whatever. So today I thought I would share a few of my sold listings from the last week. I always love these videos because it gives a picture to people of what I sell and what I like to look for and why. And I like to watch videos like these from other people because it helps me learn new brands that I might not have been aware of before. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. So I picked up this Ellie Tahari linen full zip jacket. It sat for a while. It was on the RealReal, which is a website that's like a consignment website that sells high-end designer stuff. It was on there for 60 something dollars. So I grabbed it at the thrift store. I don't usually pick up Tahari, but Ellie Tahari of like the Tahari designers tends to do better. So I'm really glad this was a full price sale. I think it was from promoted listings. And by the way, I have all of my listings promoted, but just at a small percent, just to take advantage of the program, but not so much that it cannibalizes my sales. I picked up these AG jeans. AG is a brand I pick up most of the time. As long as it is like a style of jean that I think is kind of trendy. I mean, I'm not up with all the trends, so forgive me. But these look to be on trend. They're like a relaxed skinny jean. They're light wash and they sold for $34.99 plus $6 shipping. I picked up this Banana Republic jacket from the Goodwill outlet, and Banana Republic's a brand that's definitely hit or miss for me. This was actually a jacket from 2006, so it's older, but I picked it up because I liked the military style of it. I really like selling military style jackets. I don't know why, maybe it's because I like them, but it sold for $20 plus $6 shipping after just a couple days, so it was a really quick turnaround for me. Not the highest price sale, but I'm really happy with it considering I paid $1.50 for it. And I think it just goes to show that Banana Republic, you can get recent things, older things. I honestly think it's mostly just the style that people are going for. This is a Harley-Davidson vest. I picked this up. If you watched my Harley-Davidson video, I'll link it here. I picked it up at my Harley haul and it sold within just a few days. I took an offer of $75 plus shipping for it because the buyer was international and I've never yet had an international buyer return an item. So occasionally I will take a lower offer on those because I know the likelihood of returning it is really small. And I know on their end they're paying a lot more for the global shipping program. I kind of cut them a break and find a price that I think is fair. I'm extremely happy with $75 plus shipping. So I went ahead and took the offer and it's off to its new home. This is another Harley-Davidson find from my haul, and like this button-down shirt, I've sold a lot of these different colors, the full button-down with like the racing stripes and the embroidery on the back. Those have been selling great for me for around $35 to $40 each. So I was really happy with this sale of $35 plus $4.95 shipping. I got so many lowball offers for these button-down shirts in the $20 to $25 range, but I'm holding my price because knowing the others have sold for $40 gives me the confidence to know that these will as well. This was an awesome sale. This is a Harley-Davidson leather jacket, again from my haul. It sold pretty quickly. Maybe I could have increased the price a little. It had a lot of watchers and it's really unique, but I'm extremely happy with this sale. It was full price. I did get a lot of lowballers at like $190. I kept getting that, and I declined them because I felt like it was an extremely unique and cool jacket and I thought it was worth more. So I held my price, and sure enough, within a few days it had sold for full price. So I hope the buyer really loves this item because I think it's extremely cool. This was a brand I hadn't heard of before when I was at the thrift. It's called Mista. It is a luxury brand, and when I looked up this particular shoe, I saw that it was worth $295 retail. So I put it up for a little over $100 and ended up taking a best offer of $75. And the reason is this: I paid $6 for them, so I didn't want to be greedy. And at the same time, it was another international buyer. She lives in France, which is actually where this company originates. And I figured, you know what? For $75 to get a surefire sale that probably won't be returned is more than worth it for me. So I went ahead and I took the offer. Again, this is another Harley-Davidson button down with this cool embroidery on the back. These were all in excellent condition too. I had no qualms about sending them off to their new owners. And I have just a few more of these button downs left, but most of them have sold. This is a tracksuit that I picked up at a garage sale for $1 total. And I don't normally pick up Ideology. I usually pick up things like Athleta, Lululemon, but I figured brand new with tags, full tracksuit, someone will want it. So sure enough, it took a few months, but someone did pay $30 plus $9 shipping, and it left me with a really nice tidy profit. So I'm pleased with the transaction. If you ever come across Spanx, any of the Spanx jeans or shapewear, these are really popular. These Spanx jeans sold pretty quickly for a decent price considering I got them pretty inexpensively. They're high rise, they pull everything in, they're flattering, and people are always looking for that with jeans. So I picked them up and I'm happy with this sale. Almost kept them for myself because truth be told, after having kids, I need a little help in the tummy area, so I almost kept these, but they sold and I'm still happy with the sale. Eileen Fisher is a brand that's extremely high-end retail. It's not a huge dollar amount seller for me occasionally, unless it's like a really unique style or new with tags. So this linen mesh cardigan was pink and unique, and it sat for a while with a lot of watchers. I ended up just taking a best offer for it of $30, and I was happy to let it move on and out of my store. Right now, I'm extremely cramped for space. I don't have a lot more space left. In fact, we're doing a new inventory system with bins where I'm not going to be hanging things up anymore. As easy as it is to hang things up, the bins just give me so much more inventory to work with. The hanging up is convenient, but it takes up a lot of space. So that's something that we'll be working on for the next week. But right now I am completely cramped for space, so I'm kind of accepting offers on things just to get my store moving and clear out some old stuff to make room for all the new things that I end up getting throughout the week. Joie is another brand that's extremely high-end retail, but it doesn't sell for tons for me, but I still pick it up when I see it. And this open front cotton blazer, it was an extra small, so it had been sitting for a little while, but it ended up selling for $35.99 plus shipping, so I'm extremely happy with that sale. Again, Joie and Eileen Fisher, some of these Nordstrom brands just take a little bit longer to sell, but generally they do. So I don't pick up tons of them, but I pick up enough because I don't mind waiting a little longer for that slow dime. These Prana leggings I found at the Goodwill outlet. They're extremely lightweight, so I paid very little for them, and they sold very quickly in about 2 days. Prana is a brand that I really love picking up. It's an athletic wear brand that's sold at REI. It doesn't sell for as much as like a Patagonia would, but I'm extremely happy with this sale. This is a Patagonia women's like half zip pullover, and I found this at the Goodwill outlet. It had some pilling, so I used a sweater shaver to clean it up, and I washed everything that I get from the Goodwill outlet as well. And once I did, it was in great condition. It sold for $29.99 plus $6 shipping, and I'm always happy to take a $20, $30 price plus shipping for anything that I picked up from the Goodwill outlet. I'm thrilled. I paid very little for it. These $20 and $30 sales are my bread and butter. Yeah, the high dollar items are awesome and nice, but these little sales just keep my store going and keep the profit moving along. LuLaRoe is a brand that has seen better days. It used to sell for so much. I could pick up LuLaRoe in bulk and then put them all on auction and guarantee myself really nice profits. But the problem is it got way oversaturated. A lot of LuLaRoe consultants are giving up their businesses, and frankly I understand why. So not all of their prints are as popular anymore. I only pick up certain long cardigans, certain long dresses that are unique, have a unique pattern, and this skirt has like a pizza pattern. It's pretty unique, and it ended up selling for full price just today actually. So with LuLaRoe, I am a lot more selective. I don't pick up the shirts, I don't pick up the Julia dresses, I don't pick up a lot of their dresses actually, unless it's like a really long kimono type thing or open front cardigan, duster cardigan, or a unique, interesting print, maybe a Disney print. I'll probably just leave it behind. So as you can see, these items sold for over $850. I'm really happy with that. I did not spend nearly that much on all that inventory. And like I said, I'm totally fine picking things up that I know will flip for $20, $30, even sometimes $10, $15 if I know I'm getting it for pretty cheap and I think it'll sell pretty quickly. Another change that I've made to my eBay store is that I've added shipping back in, and that's just because shipping rates did increase, and as I do my spreadsheet and I tally my profits, I just did not feel good every time knowing shipping was coming out of that price. So I factored shipping back into the cost for the buyer, and sales have been still good. I'm not seeing the exact same turnover I had when I had free shipping, so I may reconsider this later because I did have really fast turnover when I had free shipping. But for now, my sales are good, my profit margins are nice and fat, which is where I like them, and I'll probably keep it that way unless something changes in the future or I need to move inventory out. And like I said, I don't think I'm gonna have this space problem as soon as we get our shelves installed in my office. So that won't be as much of a problem. I'm a lot more comfortable having maybe 1,000 listings and having a slightly slower turnover but better margins than having a smaller inventory with faster moving stuff but thinner margins. So this is just a snippet of the things that I've sold this week. I've sold close to $2,000 this week. It's been a great week for me, and I hope to keep my store active and happy. A lot of that probably was the Harley-Davidson haul. That was an awesome haul for me, and it's really boosted my store. I hope to do a lot better in the coming weeks as I continue to source smarter. So I'm really trying to keep my store active and happy with this new rhythm that I have. So thank you so much for watching my video. I appreciate every single one of you that chooses to tune in and watch me. YouTube is kind of a newer platform for me, and so when I see those thumbs up and I see the views, it gives me so much encouragement. Thank you so much. I'm grateful for every subscriber. If you do like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know you like it. Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm trying to be better every day. And as always, thanks for watching, guys.